If you want to quit X, formerly known as Twitter, this video will walk you through the exact steps to deactivate your account safely and quickly. Whether you're taking a break, protecting your privacy, or simply no longer using the platform, the process is straightforward once you know where to look. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open X on your device and make sure you're signed into the account you want to deactivate. On the left side of the screen, or in the bottom left corner depending on your layout, look for the More button. This is the icon with 3 dots. Click on More to open the full menu. From the menu, choose Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps all of your account, privacy, and security options. Once you're inside the settings area, click on Your account. You may need to scroll a little depending on your screen size, but it should be easy to find. Inside your account, look for the option that says Deactivate your account. Click on that and X will take you to an information page explaining what happens when you deactivate. Take a moment to read this carefully because it explains the difference between deactivation and permanent deletion, and it also tells you what will happen to your profile, tweets, and login access. If you're sure you want to continue, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the red Deactivate button. This is the final confirmation step before X begins the deactivation process. After that, you'll be prompted to enter your current password. Type it in carefully to confirm that it's really you. Once you submit your password, your account will be scheduled for deactivation. That's it. You've now completed the process to quit X or Twitter by deactivating your account. If you ever change your mind, you may have a short window to reactivate it by signing back in, depending on X's current policy. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next one.